Hi guys, it's me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Pfizer is here. And I'm ready to buy more. I'm ready to buy more. This whole volume distribution is long. Yeah, so that was an exhaustion. I think it's a good case to buy more Pfizer. Can I be wrong on this whole thing? I ultimately can. And up, and up, and up. Huh. Interesting. Up and up. Let's focus on this episode. And it's weird, but it's this kind of motion. This was never a balance. This was never a balance. 1, 2, 1, 2, didn't go. 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I think I'll buy more just from here. And that's the biggest volume. Practically though. Can't say comme ça. I'm sorry. Hmm. Interesting. It's very strange. Uh, We need a test, but it looks like it's gonna go without the test. I think I should leave it alone actually too. Yeah, looks like it's going without the test. And real charting here is it did break here though. There went. Yeah, so this is not a valid. Charting. This is charting. Now this doesn't make sense because the 5-minute level is above 1 hour. Yeah, I think we needed to come here. Oh. It's interesting. Yeah, would you buy it from here? I don't think so. No matter how attractive it can look on hourly. Here he goes. Boom, finally. It took Beluga a little while to go there, to reach there. Fjord. It's right there, right now. And there is no excuse not to buy more. I mean, look at this. It's right there, right now. And it's Friday. I think people are taking profits. You know what I mean? All these people are taking profits. Yeah, in this volume. There is this volume here. I think it's beautiful. I mean, on daily, it kind of did a manipulation signal, but there's a little bit risky. It's a little bit risky. But I just think it's a beautiful place on monthly. And that wouldn't even need a test if it shows me in entry point. And you can tell by the last hour of the day. It may be quite simple, but either it's streak here because it's like counter trend. And then more volume. Oh, and Ford goes lower. Huh. I'll see how that will work out. That was initiative takeover. And then boom again. Yeah, twist and curls, it makes sense because it's in such a place. Yeah. Here we go. If this closes bullish, I don't think I need a test. think I'll be just buying more. Yeah, I think I'll be buying more from here. Fascinating, and just freeze. Just freezes. Look at this guy, just froze. Okay. I got more in here. There's no test. There's no test. First, it's day trade. Board. I'm gonna hold it just like this. Oh, really? Oh, it gave me lower entry. Okay. Yeah, that was it for the test, I think. Long impulse, well, it's a big test. Until level 1 spring. Big test. Correction. It's not new, it was there all this time, but I think that was it for the test. I think I'll add more. Because, yeah, that was the test. And my Ross array. Yes. And that is gonna be investment. Or swing it, let's we'll decide right now. I added more to my Ross array. 715. That was 710 per se. Yeah. Short impulse 1-2 correction on volume to T1. Well, it's volume compared to the rest. Support, reverse volume approach, volume manipulation, biggest volume, and in 10 days, if everything goes good, biggest volume. It's not reverse volume, it's or is it? I mean this one. You see how volume is distributed in the last approach? Boom. Sure sign of reversal. Long volume distribution. Still counter trend, yes. I like it even more now. Counter trend. Hey, come on. Okay. That's a test right now. Trend tray, long impulse. 1-2 correction. context, direction, short. See, the manipulation was the biggest signal. So that's the problem. That's the problem here. Look at this. Volume distribution on the is not good. It's not good. Trend trade, long impulse, volume T2 support level, 1 2 correction. And its biggest volume manipulation. It's a trend trade. Huh, even this, look at this. No test. It's aggressive, and I don't think there will be aggressive trend trade. Short impulse. Biggest volume, right? No, just volume. But this is tested and there's a weakness after this, but still volume to T1 at transition extremum / T1 level. Long volume distribution approach. Biggest volume 2 bar spring. It's eventually plus because it's right. You see like how this has bigger volume. Null test. Calculated affordable stop limit. 1 to 2 risk to reward take profit before T1 before 5 minutes T2. Yeah, support level. This is transferable to a, I'll see, maybe it's like, maybe I can hold it longer. All I'm saying, aggressive 2 bar spring plus. The configuration of the spring is good because we have bigger volume on the second. And we have this volume distribution. Yeah, it's just volume died here. Boom, boom. I'm sure I can hold it for longer. Just like how much longer? That's the question that comes to mind with suffer. Want to risk to reward. from original entry. Okay, this is beautiful. Forward 5-minute day trade, this day trade, aggressive trend trade, long. If anyone can teach me in which order I should place all this distribution adjectives, you'll improve my English a lot. Our trend, the counter trend, months counter trend, oh, day trend, year trend, long trend, technical wave, show more, forward, VSA, volume spread analysis, Wyckoff, wave, support and resistance zones, long setup, big profit trader, forward. I do a lot of forward. No test. That was the test. No test. Share it with the world. I'm bombarded by Elons, and I unsubscribed from Elon. And ever since, I had a weird inflow of subscribers on X, but ever since I unsubscribed from Elon, it stopped. Kid you not. Okay. I was posting on Facebook and found out that my manager, put a breakdown on March 7th, which I'm perfect fit for, but didn't send me out. Doubled after test with the weak. Is it the weak net? It's a weak tail. Like they call it weak. I don't know why weak. Weak. Oh, I have some weird.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect.
Just give me a sec. I'm back and I just bought more of Fjord. Going on a shopping spree with Fjord. So that's a conservative trend. Volume 2 support biggest volume. Spring. Technical needs a test. One calculated affordable stop limit. Affordable, but considering the place on monthly, I think. Affordable. 1 to 2 risk reward. Take profit. Same deal. Holy crap. It's conservative trend. No, conservative trend. It's a spring, and it's a 734. Reward. 1021. 1021. Oh, 1021. I need to put it in my orders. Ford. Sell. Limit 1021. Go till cancelled. Yeah, and I need to decide. Let's put it out there too. This is separate. This is separate ideas. Trade. Ford 1 hour swing long conservative trend trade. Day trend. Day trend. Month counter trend. Year trend. Trend, technical wave. Ford, same deal. We say this never changes. Volume, spread analysis, Wyckoff, support and resistance zones. Long setup. Take profit. Links. Just we had Ford. All the fjords, which I have many. Same deal, let's put it on X. I don't know whom I pissed off more, with Elon posting me even though I unsubscribed from him, or my manager putting on Facebook a breakdown. I should be less on Facebook. And this is about 5 minutes is about workout. And we need to decide the one I took with my Roth IRA. Where do you want to hold it now? like up to here. 1150, 1154. Up to here. With this kind of volume, I think it's good. Up to here, 37.72. 36.99, 36.99. I feel funky, so let's put it there. 36.99. Roth IRA. Sell limited. Good till cancelled. 36.99. Yeah. Why not? Because why not? Because why not? And let's put it. Boom. Good job. Good job. And this is 36.99. 36.99 less entry. 1 year T1. Good job. Okay, this is field 997. 997. Wait, what? The heck is that? 997. Could have held it longer, could have held it longer. Should I hold it longer? I should not. Make your money get away. So, I'll add more though. I'll add more. If it comes to it. Yeah, this guy is like freaking out. $602. $602. It just kissed it. It didn't touch it. So here you can add more. Let's see the rest. Nice job though. Okay. See, it goes lower and lower and lower. Now it looks better. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Oh. Oh. So it's below. It broke the sign of strength level. I put it here because the next was the last hour of the day, so okay. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, but I think it's good. Okay. Yeah. I think closing half position here, 60% of position here was a good choice, but also I think we're doing good. We'll know soon. Magnet. Pfizer is open. Plug is here. Fuzzy. Rocco. Okay, let's see our hourlies. Oof. Yeah. This is weird now. Oops. This is weird now. This is weird now. You know, like super weird. That's the last hour of the day. Yeah, weird. Booms. This guy. Look at FedEx. Ooh la la. Icky, don't trust sign of strength that much. Ha ha ha. Good job not buying from here. This guy's train wrecked. Absolutely murdered. This guy's train wrecked. Short and then strong resumption again. Oof. Gotta be super careful about this guy now. And that's actually gap and go. Well, sentiment was bearish. So maybe gap is retest. But I mean, what do you make of it? Yeah, just like this. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Like something like this. And just buy a yeah, like gap with retest. Just like buy it like this. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Totally ridiculous, absolutely possible. But just buying falling knives like this, I don't think it's good. Yeah, we're way better off here. Google. Where are we on Google? Something weird. Boom. Boom. It's a massacre. It's a bloodbath on the market. I hope my manager sent me out for that gig. Just submitted me. Just didn't get the audition. That's the only thing I can. You see, like I'm trading, but I'm in my head and what I saw on Facebook. This is exactly why you should not be on social media. You know, this whole thing is going lower. Boom. Boom. Again, after this volume, bigger volume comes in, and then, well, this is all hallucination, but volume, boom, goes up, goes up, goes up. I got my money for today, right? Like from the day trade. And I don't think I characterized. Yeah. I'm not excited by this guy at all. It is the biggest volume. This is last minutes of the day. But hours, yeah. Here it goes. On Meta. Yeah. Here it goes. That's an initiative takeover. I think it's a go. Oof, look at this one bar reversal. My favorite. My favorite. And it's still in a short mode. I think it's gonna break, but technically it's still in a short mode. No. ASB. That's a massacre. Actually, is getting there. Is this volume? Bigger volume. Bigger volume. Bigger volume. I don't want it to collapse all the way from there. Like compare this to this. or to this. It's way better. Yeah, it went. It went. It should have. So, comme ci, comme ça. Oh, look at this. That was beautiful. With test and everything you would want it to do. Comes here. Perfect level. Exhaustion volume. Market is a sweetheart today. And not you. You, my friend. And there's volume here. A little bit of volume here. Last volume of the day. Then it comes. Unvolumed spring. Then test if you want it. But yeah, unvolumed. Ay, ay, ay. It's a little bit funny. This feeling inside. And that's when this. Oh, how did Disney got on my... Ah, look at this guy. This is good for a reversal too. And you can tell everybody. Right there. That was good. That was good. I was busying myself as forward. Yeah, again. Look at all these things that are happening here. Boom. Technically it's unvolumed, but see there's a splash of volume. Test, boom. So that was the game. If you're young and bold and you're like close to the profit. And you are close to the profit right now. I think you'll make my money. You'll make your money. I'm sorry. Not my money, but your money. What happened here? Yes. GM. Yeah, I think it'll go. I'm out of this trade. 2R was like here. Let's see if it goes. But yeah. Look at Nike. Look at this guy. He goes lower. He goes lower. I'm going deep underground. You see? No matter. No matter this volume, it has to go deeper. Baboosh. Beautiful volume. Well, of course. We'll see how the day ends, but yeah. It's definitely a remarkable volume already. Something to pay close attention to. Ooh, look at this guy. He's like, I'm not going anywhere. And this is Capu's retest. For sure. Down, down, down. Now everyone is in profit. All the bears are fat. It's a good volume. It's a good volume. I know. And it's this. It's a good volume. Nike is kind of in the vicinity of where I would want it to go. You know what I mean? On monthly. Oops, sorry. Come on. You know what I need? Yeah, so I think it's more of this situation now. But I like it. Do you want to take it like this? See how volume drops from here? This is more like this. This is more realistic. And anyhow, there is absolutely no context on monthly other than this huge. Bears are fat, that's for sure. It's not even the biggest volume, look at this. It's not even an exhaustion volume, so. This is cartoonish. I wouldn't be much concerned about this volume. This is more real. Yeah. So I like Nike exhaustion way better than monthly. Also, yeah, I like it better. But boom, look, the sub thrust. Yeah, that did go. Look, it stumbled. I think it's gonna go, but It stumbled. Yeah. A lot of things. A lot of things. It's an interesting Friday for sure. Okay. This guy comes here. And it's now in the reverse. In 0.5, oops, 0.5 though. Yeah. No one says it's not gonna go here. Beautiful volume though. Just by the book. Comes in here. One, two, it is a balance. And then this volume comes in. Hours. So many things, so many things. Boom. Maybe exhaustion, I don't know. Put it in an hourly. Nothing on 5 minutes. 5 minutes are weird. Went above and then this volume comes in. This level. I don't know. Yeah. Dollar tries to decide what it wants to do. Here we go. Target. Target is the stock that I feel confident about. I know what Target is. I know where they are. If they don't meet my expectations, I can go poop. At their entrance. As a act of disagreement. Yeah, volume looks short though. Look at this guy. So I tried to bounce, didn't go, then tried to bounce again. Like this volume, now this volume. It looks short. Here too. Oh, this was suicidal, by the way, but it worked. This virtual stuff. Hold on, let me plug in my computer. Yeah, I like Target, but it's just doesn't look good. And work here. Yeah, it is at the level. So this is the level. You guys think I'm just a madman? Sitting here drawing charts, talking gibberish. I wish you all could take a training that I took on volume spread analysis. It's called Roman strategy trading. We're kind of discussing to bring it over to United States now. It's only available in Russian as of now, but look at this volume. I don't even know what it is about. And that's not a balance, by the way. 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah. Boom, boom. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. Let's keep an eye on though. It's definitely hourly watch now. My friend, you've been upgraded. Yeah, it's a break. It's a break. This guy consolidates. I'll add more after I test. It's not the right place on daily, but I'll add more. Fjord. I think that's how it goes. Like is trying. It's not even a bar level. It's technically it's a bar level. So I think it's more. So when this is broke, I think it's more of, you know, this situation rather than anything else. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Ooh, where are we? Sasha. That's the line from my show. Where are we? Indonesia? Telecommunicatie. Look at this. I like everything I see. Except for this. Except for this. Tudoosh. It's also earnings. It's good. I think it's in a good place actually. It's not in a bad place. Let me correct myself. It just goes down. Yeah. Keep watching it. It's weird. It's like very small cap bull. What? Seasonals? What is seasonals? Oh god. 2 billion. Russell. So it's like Russell 2000 multiplied by 3. Yeah, leverage. Yeah, so it's Russell. So that's this eventually, basically. Yeah, so basically that's this. Okay, where is this? Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's interesting. It kind of highlights the movement because it's multiplied, like it's a 3 leverage. So it's in the right place. There was a good accumulation here. You can visually see it actually. Here it is. I mean, oh, I haven't here. That's an exhaustion. It's a good exhaustion. One bar reversal that I normally would not believe in. But it happened right here. 375. No, 375. No. That wasn't the. And lower. Yeah, it's still short. So. Still short. Can bounce of this volume too. The biggest volume here was. So yeah, nothing here on hour. Despite like this. Long. There's bigger volume here in all this situation. And it reversed for better or worse. It reversed right here. Oh no, hold on. No. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, but we only believe in transition the first time. So here, yeah, no. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi. Throw. I think it's getting there. Sure enough, it's in balance. That'll be the next step. Not bad. Not bad. UPS. Because just because, see, didn't close this gap, just closed this gap. Yeah, that's why. It looks beautiful on monthly. Oops, sorry. It looks really good on monthly. Yeah. However, and this still holds, and there is a bigger, oops, vice versa. There is this bigger volume, so we're still bullish on the year, no doubt. And there's an interesting balance here. Yeah. And then balance here again. Now 1 bar roll. So yeah, whatever it is on year, it looks like super sexy on it's gotta come here. Vodafone is gapping again. This guy is crazy. Gazprom, HSBC. Okay, let's see the biggest changes. Woo! Yeah. This guy, Fjord, needs to test. Nike. Yeah, Nike does it. So we'll assume it's bullish. I mean, look at this. This is not the biggest volume. Still have this guy. This guy's in our favor. It's also like it's definitely wants to stop. Yeah, I think Nike is our client. I think Nike is our client for sure. Just buy it like this. This is brutal just to buy it like this. We need at least a little something. Just like close my eyes and buy it. Close the gap. Don't think it's my style. Boom. This actually does look like an exhaustion. This is such a reversal. This is such a reversal. But anyhow, That's pretty much it. This is pretty much it. I want it organized, please. So yeah, you guys, it's very tempting, of course. Just take it up from here. But look at this volume. Well, it did bounce like well enough. It did bounce. Except for something short. At least I needed something. You know, to work off some correction or something, but in like breaks like this, it can go just, it can grind unlimited. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. That's a correction. Good impulse and weak correction. They don't do it like this, but this can be correction. Considering where we are at. And monthly, daily, yearly, monthly, daily. This can be correction like this. FedEx and Nike. Just buy it like this. I don't think it's ever gonna correct. Both of them. Maybe Nike more than FedEx. Look where FedEx is. Do you want to buy a Nike just like this? It can go and it will go. You have some movements like that almost even don't. It just goes. Doesn't correct. And this was the biggest. Yeah, look how it. Let's see. What I'm looking at though. It leads test into this volume something. Yeah, it's a falling knife. As of now. It's a falling knife. As of now. both of them. I mean, Nike like looking way better, of course. Yeah, it's all like bearish. Yeah, Nike looks like way better on monthly. Just buy it like just like this, or at least like wait it to test. At least some kind of test. Yeah. You know what I mean? It tested. One here, blip. But yeah. This is interesting. That's the test going on right now. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'll be looking closely, like, to add more on Ford after test. Not the right place on daily, but I think we're really good. Looking perfect on monthly. Like, it's just makes me want to cry. And Nike, it can go, like, if it comes, like, goes here and that just comes, test is here, that would be buy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Take care. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything